Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Administrator tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is Data Import Wizard. Data Import Wizard in Salesforce is a powerful tool that allows user to quickly and easily import data into Salesforce. It supports importing data for standard objects such as accounts, contacts, leads, solutions and campaign members, also for custom objects. It can support up to 50 key records. It is a queue-based operation, check duplicate record, built-in wizard. Data export wizard limitations. For exporting data, we don't have choice to choose which field we want to export. We don't have choice to apply filter condition. Steps to use data import wizard: setup, platform tools, integrations, data import wizard, launch wizard. Step 1, prepare the data, ensure CSV file has the correct headers. Access data import wizard and launch. Select the object, specify the matching criteria, upload your CSV file, map your fields, review and start import, monitor and view the status. So let's see an example. By using data import wizard, import data for contact object. So to do the practical, just log into our Salesforce account. So for the navigation, we can refer our PPT under platform tools, integrations, expand this data import wizard. So before going to this data import wizard, let's create the file for the contact record what we are going to upload. So here I had created a Excel file with as the headers in contact field, first name, last name, phone, email, and I am going to import only one record like Aman Singh, the random phone number and a random email address. The necessary part is save this file as CSV format. So file name we can provide here any name. I am going with test data import. Save as type. So click the drop down and just go for CSV comma delimited. Click this and see the location where you are saving this file. Click save. So again coming back to our data import wizard in Salesforce. So just scroll down. Here import your data in 3 easy steps. First, pre-step, prepare your data for import. So we had prepared, choose data to import, edit file mapping, review and start import. Click on launch wizard. So import your data into Salesforce. You can import up to 50k records at a time. Here standard objects are coming over there and then custom objects. What are the custom objects in our org? That all the custom objects we are seeing over here. So I am going with standard object and we had prepared the data for contact object. So we have to choose here accounts and contacts. Next, what do you want to do? Add new record, update existing record, add new and update existing record. So I am going with new record. So where is your data located? In CSV file, Outlook CSV, ACTI CSV, Gmail CSV, where your data is, choose that one. So in our case, I am choosing CSV. Also we can go with the matching criteria, match contact by, match account by, so match contact by email or name, whatever. I am going with default one. So choose file, test data import we had created right now, click open. So click on next. So edit field mapping accounts and contacts. Here it's saying that contact first name is mapped with first name in the CSV header what we had created our Excel file. These are the fields from there, and these are the Salesforce object fields. So last name is contact last name, last name. Here it's getting confused where it should have to map, in account phone or contact phone. So click on change, remove account phone because I have to go with contact. And some of the time it's not seeing the uh, below button, so just press control minus, you are able to see the below buttons. Click map, then contact phone is mapped with our Excel file phone, contact email is mapped with email. Click next. 4 fields are mapped and 0 unmapped fields. Start import. Congratulations, your import has started. Click OK to view your import status on the bulk data load job page. So here we are seeing the status, bulk data load job details, job ID submitted by, start time, end time, and all the details we are seeing. Below you are seeing the batches. So view request, view result. Here batch ID is there, start time, end time, total processing time, API active processing time, apex processing time, records processed 1 record, records failed 0, retry count 0, start message, and status is completed. So let's search for contact from app launcher, contacts. So all the contacts are listed over here. Click all contacts. Let's see any record is imported today. So this is Aman Singh. This is the record what we had imported right now, and its time is given over here. So like this data import wizard is performing. Thank you, and if you guys found this video helpful, please do like, subscribe, and also leave a comment down below.